Hexatrem Volvo, FMX Suzano Wood Transport. Prepare to witness a glimpse into the sustainable future of timber. The Hexatrem Volvo FMX Suzano Wood Transport is revolutionizing the industry with a powerful combination of size and sustainability. Imagine a behemoth, a whopping 54 meters long, consisting of Volvo FMX trucks pulling 6 semi-trailers. The Hexatrem is a machine built for Suzano, a eucalyptus pulp powerhouse. Wood transport isn't a single machine, but rather a powerful combination designed for the specific task of hauling massive amounts of wood. The hauler responsible for pulling the Hexatrem trailer is a Volvo FMX. This heavy-duty truck is specifically designed for off-road applications and harsh environments. These giants conquer private roads within Suzano's reforestation farms, hauling 200 tons per trip. This translates to less time, more volume, and a commitment to eco-friendly practices. Hexatrems are a prime example of how innovation can transform industries, prioritizing efficiency and environmental responsibility.
Next on our journey is eco-green equipment, a revolutionary force in tire recycling technology. Powered by a robust engine, this machine specializes in processing and recycling used tires, transforming them into valuable materials. The innovative design of eco-green equipment ensures efficient tire shredding and granulation, contributing to the sustainable management of tire waste. The uniqueness of eco-green equipment lies in its dedication to addressing the environmental challenges posed by discarded tires. Its significance extends to its role in turning used tires into recycled rubber, which can find applications in various industries. The efficiency gains brought about by eco-green equipment contribute to reducing the environmental impact of tire waste and provide valuable resources for manufacturing processes.
Real good.
Continuing our exploration, we encounter Moog Tech, a trailblazer in plastic recycling solutions. Fueled by a potent engine, this mighty machine is designed for high-performance plastic shredding and granulation, handling diverse plastic materials. The innovative design incorporates advanced technology, ensuring precise and efficient processing of plastics for recycling. The distinctive quality of Moog Tech is its dedication to using cutting-edge recycling technology to address the problems associated with plastic pollution. Its importance goes beyond how it helps create a circular economy by turning waste plastic into reusable raw materials. The efficiency improvements made possible by Moog Tech help to reduce the environmental effect of plastic waste by streamlining plastic recycling procedures.
Now that oil and fuel is getting more and more expensive, alternatives are sought out by the government and industries. They have found out that wood chips are actually good alternative sources for power generation, hence making them more in demand today. Good thing that the Vermeer Forestry equipment offers a solution for efficient wood chips production. This is the WC2300XL Whole Tree Chipper, a powerful solution for producing wood chips. Through its variable speed, dual in-feed conveyor chains, and smart crush technology, it is able to handle materials in the best way possible. Using this machine guarantees the production of valuable end product from log or slash. Parts of the machine that wears off easily are also replaceable, which makes maintenance easier too. Next up, we have a debarking machine from Bosch Leibniz, which was designed to make debarking safer and more convenient. This functions by debarking any round timber so that it can be prepared for its designated purpose. Although this is known to be a professional machine, operators are sure to experience a smooth and easy operation with it, and even makes pointing a single work step easier too. To make this machine work, operators need to place the log on the feeder so the debarking process can start. Since this has an adjustable feed, the surface quality can also be altered so that the target result can be achieved faster. This machine is capable of reaching 9 running meters per minute while working with logs that have 15 centimeter diameter. After the process, the built-in ejector fan of the machine automatically discharges the processed chips. Truly, debarking is made as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you're looking for debarking machines able to take logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter, the Cambio 800 debarker with CIM 750 infeed from Camtrail Outfeed is the best one for you. This innovation easily becomes one of the world's best alternatives for challenging sawmills and log yards thanks to its durability, limited surface requirements, and very low running cost. Some of its amazing features are the triangular feed and the carbide-typed debarking tools. The feed works impressively, meanwhile the tools are powered by compressed air. All these unique and useful specs lead to first-class debarking performance. Now let's move on to the Mibor VTZ Sawmill Factory, a fully autonomous sawmill factory. In this factory, they have double chipper canters, quad and double vertical bandsaws that work together for a successful process. Blades are positioned by scanning logs and automatic optimization for the best recovery. They also have the VRA40F optimized edger to help them edge up to 40 boards per minute. After that, further processing is done with the Doublehead RS1300 resaw line, completing a full system run. Aside from the way it does its work, it's also very surprising to know that the production capacity of this factory is up to 500 cubic meters, and it is able to complete that in just 8 hours of shift.
Next is China RCM, a distinguished manufacturer specializing in producing small and medium concentrated grout shield machines, as well as friction stir welding equipment, and providing specialized CNC machining design, manufacturing, and sales services. Their products find wide-ranging applications in city pipeline network construction, aviation, aerospace, electronics, high-speed rail, and various other industries. Rotary friction welding in China RCM entails spinning up two metal parts and driving them into contact in order to solder two axles onto a single component. Next up is Alloplast GmbH, a distinguished German company, a leading specialist in crafting top-quality plastic windows and doors. Renowned for their innovative technologies, they excel in achieving exceptional levels of thermal insulation, safety features, and cutting-edge design. Alloplast's products are meticulously designed to enhance comfort, security, and energy efficiency within homes. With a strong global presence, the company stands as one of the foremost providers of plastic profile systems in the industry. Their commitment to excellence sets them apart in the field of window and door solutions. The Alloplast GmbH process involves heating a plastic pellet to a malleable state, then extruding it through a die to form a continuous tube or profile. The SMS Group is a global engineering company that specializes in plant and machinery construction for various industries. They provide an extensive array of facilities for manufacturing, casting, rolling, processing, forging, and extrusion of steel, aluminum, and copper. Additionally, SMS Group offers plant technology for producing premium metal powders used in additive manufacturing, along with other technologies associated with powder metallurgy. One of the key strengths of SMS Group is its ability to handle extremely precise tolerances. The company's state-of-the-art equipment and expert team enable it to produce parts with incredible accuracy, making it an ideal partner for clients in the automotive, aerospace, and other high-precision industries. Another area where SMS Group excels is in its capacity to handle hellish heats. The company's furnaces and heat treatment systems are designed to withstand extreme temperatures, allowing it to process even the most challenging materials with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for clients requiring high-temperature processing, such as those in the aerospace and power generation sectors. In addition to these specialized capabilities, SMS Group also offers a wide range of forming processes, from forging to drawing and beyond. This comprehensive approach enables the company to provide complete solutions for its clients, from initial material selection to final product assembly. MTI, or Manufacturing Technology Inc., stands at the forefront of the global industry in providing cutting-edge solutions for joining and friction welding. Their expertise lies in the creation of state-of-the-art friction welders, ensuring the production of consistently high-quality welds, whether for components on Earth or in the vast expanse of outer space. MTI offers a diverse range of friction welding technologies, encompassing rotary friction welding, linear friction welding, low-force friction welding, and friction stir welding. MTI has an impressive track record, having contributed to significant projects like welding the fuel tanks for both the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Their expertise has been instrumental in advancing space exploration. Inter, a company that produces braiding machines and related software in Russia. They specialize in manufacturing braiding machines designed for a wide range of applications, including cord, tape, tube, wire, as well as braiding with precious metals and composite materials. Their machines are tailored to accommodate various braiding needs with precision and efficiency. One of their standout software offerings is TexMind Braider Multifilament. This powerful tool generates a 3D representation of the braided structure and computes its properties. TexMind Braider Multifilament is adept at working with tubular braids, enabling it to simulate the braiding process, optimize machine settings, and even arrange colors. Next is Bailey Industrial, a globally recognized provider of high-quality metal machinery. A hydraulic tube bender can be used to create handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and more, according to Bailey Industrial Ltd. This device reduces physical effort and is quicker and more accurate. It is less expensive than programmed tubes and doesn't require human force. The procedure involves correctly positioning the steel tube and waiting for the bending to happen. Last but not the least is Formec, headquartered in the UK, specializes in the design and production of vacuum forming machines tailored for diverse applications. Their extensive lineup encompasses compact desktop models, floor-standing units, and large format models equipped with semi-automatic operation features. These machines find utility across a spectrum of industries including R&D, production, education, crafts, confectionery, film and theater, among others. Formec stands out for providing budget-friendly and adaptable vacuum forming solutions, ensuring suitability for a wide range of projects and unique requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of mighty machines.